Today we will discuss about the containments in Java. So the inheritance, which is a most important approach, which for a code reusability in an object-oriented programming concept. Sometimes we need only the function to be used for a class, but still inherit in a entire class. The result in which the base member, which is always public or protected, access modifiers, and also being exposed to the derived class. The containment which provide an alternative ways to use the inheritance, which allows with the ability to control which member of a class should be available to the other class. So let's see what is containment in Java. So containment, which is nothing but it indicates that one object contains another. The containment, which is a single approach in which a class A, which need to access the member of a class B, in which an instance of object of a class B rather than inheriting the class B. Although for controlling the access member of a class, it may be reason why we may not prefer inheritance for a code reusability. The containment which has a relationship, which is present has a relationship. So let's discuss with our example to see how the containment which is work when we need entire functionalities. So first we create the class which is named living things, which is used to classify all the living things in the world, having the basic functions like can talk method, can walk method, and can run method, and so on. Now with this function we can see it will be meaningful if we create an class which is namely an mankind, which is represent the human, and derived from the class living things. It because of the human being which can be talk, walk, and run, so we can inherit the common function from the living things classes, and we can add extra functionalities in the derived class. However, we take class which is named as animal, in which it derived from the living thing class, but the answer which is no, because since in which an animal which can walk and can run, but the animal cannot be talk. So an inheritance which still expose this method to the derived class. So if we really need to want to use inheritance with this concept, then it will be better to break the living things classes into further components depending on their requirements, and further use them as the base class. That's all about containments in Java. Thank you.